Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to receive Payoneer fund into your Payoneer account. Now, this video is for those of you who have been finding it difficult to create a Payoneer account. Now, if you've created a Payoneer account recently, you will notice that you cannot be able to create a Payoneer account for yourself, but you have the account. All Payoneer is requesting for you is for you to send at least $50 into your Payoneer account in order for you to have a Payoneer bank account. Now, for those of you who are freelancers, who work in Upwork and other online platforms, this video will be helpful. I'm going to show you how you can be able to get Payoneer fund into your Payoneer account and then start enjoying your Payoneer account. So stick to the very end of this video because I'm going to be very detailed in this video where I'll show you how to get this and what you need to do at every particular point in time. Now, the very first thing you need to do in order for you to get a Payoneer fund is for you to go and register with OKX. OKX is a crypto app in which allows you to buy crypto, sell crypto, and be able to fund your account to whatever currency that you want. So I will leave the link in the description in which you can be able to use in registering, and then once you register, you can be able to get started with it and know what to do. Now, once you register with the link in the description, all you just need to do is to go to your Google Play Store, download the OKX app. As you can see on my screen, this is the OKX app. All you just need to do is to register with it. Now, once you have been able to register with the link in the description, the very next thing for you to do is to download the app, in which, as you can see on my screen, I've opened the app on my phone, and the app is on my phone right now. And if you can see, I already have $53 in this my OKX app. What did I do? I was able to transfer some funds from my BINANCE account to this OKX app. For those of you who are finding it difficult to know how to do some transaction, I also leave a video in the description in which you can be able to see how to transfer fund from your BINANCE account to another app or another crypto app. Now, OKX is another crypto app in which you can be able to use, and as I'm going to show you right now, this $53 in which I've been able to send to my OKX app, I was able to send it from my Binance to this particular app. And before you'll be able to send this particular stuff or particular USDT into your OKX app, you need to understand some certain things. First, if you go at the top here, you will see this 9 dots at the top here. All you just need to do is to click on it. Once you click on this dot, you'll be able to see that you need to verify your account. That means you need to put in all the information that will be requested from you. If you look very well here, you see that my account is fully verified. And how can your account be fully verified? To use your ID card, your information, your email address in order for you to register, and then your account will be approved, and you can be able to receive funds from any platform, and you can also sell funds in this particular platform. So if your account is not verified, don't send anything here. All you just need to ensure that it's verified, and then you can go ahead to be able to send fund, receive fund, buy fund, and all of that. Now, once your account is fully verified, the next thing you need to do is to come back again in order for you to sell this fund. You can use the peer-to-peer section to buy fund from here, or to buy USDT from here and sell this USDT out. So I'm going to show you how to sell it and be able to get Payoneer fund directly into your Payoneer account. Now, go back to this 9 dot again, dabs at the top here. Once you click on that dabs at the top here, you will be able to see different options that will be given to you. And these different options that will be given to you, you will see down below here in this buy crypto, you also see peer-to-peer trading. Now, in this peer-to-peer trading aspect, this is where we are going to sell this our USDT to get a Payoneer fund directly into our Payoneer account. It won't take time. They will just send it to you and you will receive it. Let's do that together in order for you to see how you can be able to receive your Payoneer fund. Now, I'll click on the peer-to-peer trading, and once I click on this peer-to-peer trading, it will load up and it will appear like this. It will ask me, what do I want to do? Do I want to buy USDT, or do I want to sell USDT? Now, in order for you to know what to do, you need to understand some certain information when it appears like this. This information you need to understand is that once you see this buy aspect, it shows that you want to use your phone, either your Naira or whatever currency that you have, to buy USDT to your wallet, and it will appear in your wallet. You can also decide to click on the sell aspect, in which you can also sell out the fund you have to get the currency that you want. Now, another important fact that you also need to have in mind when you come to this particular area is for you to check on the transaction history of some individuals. Yes, check on the transaction. Those merchants who want to sell their crypto or who you want to buy from, check whether they are verified, check whether they are authentic so that your fund will not get missing. Now, if you look here, you will see that this person has been able to done up to 660 transactions. That means this person is okay. Now, if you go down below here again, you will also see that there are other people who you cannot, like this big MP Plus, he has done at least 623 transactions. If you still go down, you also see this man here, he buy, sell Payoneer fund and he has done up to 4,035 transactions, and he's 98% fast and reliable, and for you to trade with him. Now, once you look at all of this history, you can continue to check different history in order to know who to buy from and who to sell for. Before you go ahead to buy or to sell, go ahead and go to the top here, change your currency to USDT. Change your currency to USDT. If you leave it at Naira, you cannot be able to exchange your fund to Payoneer fund. I don't know whether you get me. What I mean is, if you leave this your currency at Naira, let me just open it, let all of us see. If you leave it at Naira, or you put your currency that you want into NGN, which is Naira, you will not be able to see who you will sell to that will give you Payoneer fund. Rather, you'll be seeing individuals who want to buy or trade with you with Naira. Now, you want to trade your USDT to get Payoneer fund. So all you just need to do is to look for USDT, US dollars, USD, which is US dollar, and then put it as the currency in which you'll be using for your transaction. Now, we want to sell. All I have to do is to click on this sell button at the top. I'll click on this sell button here in my peer-to-peer aspect. Once I click on it, and it will load up, and once it load up, you will see these different filters that are showing me. They are showing me different individuals. The same way it appears when you want to buy, you also do your breakdown as well. Look at the transaction of the individual. Like this recharge, he has done up to 146 transactions. And if you go down again, you also see this individual who have done mega USDT trade. He has done 51 transactions. I will not advise you to go for people who have lower transaction record. Go for people who have been in the system or who have been trading for a long time. But it's not bad if you trade with them. They are always reliable. Always confirm that they are verified merchants. And for you to know who those who are verified merchants, you always see the star button in their profile. You always see the star button. All this you are seeing here is a star button. This is a star button. Once you see the star button, just know that it's a verified merchant and you can trade with him and all of that. So first thing first, you come to this filter aspect. Since you want to pay or buy your fund with Payoneer, you want to exchange with Payoneer, you come here. They are asking you to what you want to transact with. In this filter aspect, you want to make payment to receive. You want to use your USDT to receive Payoneer fund, and for you to receive that, you can also receive PayPal fund and all of that. But our main interest is on Payoneer fund, Payoneer fund. And you can come to the filter here, look for individual who you can transact with who has Payoneer fund. And as you can see here, you will see that this individual, you can be able to filter to get people who want to buy Payoneer fund for yourself. If you look here, you will see Payoneer, in which you can be able to trade with Payoneer fund for yourself. Now, I'll click on it to show that I want to do that, and I'll click on apply. And once I click on this apply, it will bring out all those who want to sell Payoneer fund to get USDT. Now, we have been able to arrive to this aspect. This is where we can be able to trade our USDT now and get a Payoneer fund. What next do you do? Also do your analysis again by looking at the different transaction history in which those individuals have done in order for your fund not to get missing. We are looking at reliable individuals who you can be able to fund or do transaction with. Now, I'm looking at individuals who I can buy, and if you look very well here, you'll see that this buy, sell, Payoneer is still appearing at the top here. And you can also see Connect, you can also see Big USDT Bank. These are individuals who you can trade with, and they have accurately 96. This one has 99 transaction star, in which a lot of people have recommended and he's doing well. And let me trade with this buy USDT bank. I'll click on sell. Now once I click on this sell aspect or this sell button, it will take me to the next page where I have to input the amount of USDT I want to fund with. Remember, you'll be charged a little amount of money for your transaction, and remember, you want to receive $50 into your Payoneer fund, and for you to be able to do that, you need to have more than $50 in your OKS app in order for you to have this exchange accurately. Now I'm going to click on the maximum, which is $53 US, in which you are seeing here. But one thing is missing here. If you look at my screen here in my phone, you will see that this individual order limit is from $100 US. That means he does not trade anything below $100 US. That means we will still go back again, and once we go back now, we'll look for individuals who have lower transaction, who will want to trade with us, who want to trade from $50 and above. So let's look for individuals who we can be able to trade with, who have $50 and who want to sell from $50 and all of that. And if you look at this individual here, which is speaker, let me look for this other one here. Okay, this buy sell Payoneer, you can see here he's trading, his order limit is from $200 US, and which is very, very high, in which is not what we are looking for. We are looking for $50, and the person we are going to trade with right now is this individual here. Let's look for someone else who we can trade with. So we have been able to see this individual. He wants to trade from $50 and above, and what I want to do is $53. As you can see here in my screen, it has approved it. And if you look very closely, you will see that this individual wants to trade from $50 to $67. That's what he has in his account, and he wants to sell it. So I have the option for me to trade my $53 with this individual in order for me to get a Payoneer fund. Now the very next question is, how do I get the Payoneer fund now? Now this is the time for you to put in your Payoneer bank detail for you to be able to sell this. If I click on this sell button, for instance, now you will see the prompt that will appear asking me to add my Payoneer account information. All they are asking for you is to click on this add and then put in your Payoneer account information. And the account information you just need to put is your email address. Just your email address. Remember, you don't have a Payoneer account yet, but with your email address you can be able to receive this Payoneer US dollars into your account. So I will just put in my Payoneer account number or my account or my Payoneer email address. The next thing for me to do right now is to receive an authentication code in which will be sent to me, in which I have to use in this particular transaction. So I'll put in the email, I'll put in the code that will be sent to me in my phone number, and then receive my Payoneer fund. Let's see how this goes. You can see I've been able to paste the code that have been sent to me. All I have to click is save, and once I click on the save, you will see they say payment method has been added successfully. And the next thing for me to do right now is for me to click on sell my US dollars. So all I have to do right now is to click on this sell, and I will just click on this sell, and I'll be charged 0 fee for that. And let me wait for the prompt to appear. Now this is the breakdown of what my transaction looks like. But the unit price is $1 per dollar, and then the quantity I want to transact is $53.50, and this is the total amount. This is $53.50, and I'm going to receive payment in my Payoneer account, and I'll be receiving a code in which I'll need to confirm this transaction. So I'll request for the code again in order for me to be able to release this transaction or enable this transaction to work. So let me just do that immediately. So guys, I've been able to input my code and I have sent it for it to move, and right now I'm waiting for this merchant to be able to send my fund to my Payoneer account. So all I have to do is to wait patiently as he works on it, or send my fund to my Payoneer account. All I'm waiting for is for me to release it. Remember, the coins are still with me until I receive my US dollars in my Payoneer fund. That is when I can click on this release button at the bottom here. So let me just wait patiently as it walks through. And as you can see, the guy is on it. And if you look at the chat, in his chat button, he sent a message to me right now. Let me see what he's saying. And if you see here, he said, message me through Telegram if I don't answer. We need to find long-term partnership and all of that. He wants me to message him on Telegram. And if you can look at here, you will see that he's saying that he will be able to deliver before 59 minutes. That is over 1 hour before I can be able to receive this fund. I'll pause this video. I don't know when he will release this fund, but immediately he releases this fund, I'll be able to notify you guys and continue. Let me just pause this video from here. Guys, if you look very carefully, you will see that this guy has been able to chat me up, and he's telling me that I should rewrite my email address to confirm again. And I just rewrite it and send to him. So I'm waiting for him to confirm that he has sent the money. And once he has confirmed that he has sent the money, I'll go back to refresh my email again to confirm that this money or this transaction has gone through before I will be able to release the fund. So let me wait patiently and see how all of these things turns out. I know it will work because it has worked before. So let me just wait. It requires patience because many of these merchants are not always online at the moment. They receive some notification telling them that a buyer has come and all of that. So all you just need is a patient and wait for them to do the transaction. He just sent me a notification telling me that he has sent the fund. If you look at the message he sent to me here, he says that that he has sent the $53 into my Payoneer account. But I need to confirm this information. All you just need is to come back to your Payoneer account, refresh, and as you can see, I'm trying to refresh to confirm whether the fund has been able to appear in my Payoneer. So guys, I've been able to receive my fund. If you look very well on my screen, you'll see that I have this $53 in my account. $53.50 is already in my account, and all I have to do is to go and release the coin. So for those of you who just created your account, you can use this method to receive your fund instantly and get your payment in your account. Sometimes it might take days, but sometimes it requires some minutes. It just took me just 5 minutes and this money was in my account. So let me just be confirmed, or let me just be sure, as I will refresh this for the last time in order for me to confirm that this money is in this particular wallet. I know why I'm doing that. Ensure that you confirm and verify that this money is in your wallet. As you can see, it's there. So I have no fear now. All I have to do is to go and release the coin to this particular merchant so that he can also go well and do whatever thing he wants to do with his fund. I'm going to use that Payoneer fund and show you how I will withdraw it and also use it for other arbitrage if possible in my next video. It will also give me room to create other videos and all of that. So now I have to release this coin, and all I have to do now is to click on release. And once I click on this release button, and as you can see here, they are asking me, please confirm if you have received this payment. I have received it. So, and they say upload proof to release this payment. So all I have to do is to go back here, click a proof that this payment has been sent to me, and that is what I have to do to show them that, or to help them confirm that I have been able to send this fund. I'm sending the proof to release the coin, and it's on the process of releasing. And as you can see here, I've been able to release the coin, and as you can see here, they say I should rate the individual who just sold this coin to me, and they say rate the experience. I will stay positive, and I'll also click on submit now, and I've clicked on it, and as you can see here, the coin has been able to move out from my wallet. So all I have to do is to go back to view assets. Let me go back to view assets, and let's see how it goes. If you look very carefully, you see that I don't have the fund in my wallet again. Everything is gone, and I have the money in my Payoneer account. So guys, this is how you can be able to receive Payoneer fund. If you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, and also give this video a like. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to link your account or your USD bank account, like your Gray account or your Geegpay account, to your Payoneer to get a withdrawal. That's what I'm going to show you in my next video. So do well to give me this a like and turn on the notification, and don't forget to subscribe. That's one way you can show your boy some love, by subscribing, so you can see more videos like these and all of that. As I see you on the next one, stay safe. Peace.